Bayamig. What message do you want to send to the person you filed the case against?
Last year, nag-release ko video nga, isettle lang. And then, I received through sayang post nga, dili siya mag-husay. So, wala na ko yung message, wala. Please, dili ko siya ma-istorya. So, wala. Mauna lang ni only way.
Good evening, Christine from Cebu. I have two questions. So one is, what prompted you, since this has been going on last year, the post, so what prompted you to finally file a case? And the second one is, if ever the other party will ask for a settlement, are you going to be open for that?
Ang nakaprompt ako niya is, aside sa ako ang peace, para lagi nga makuha ng mga tabot nga di maayo. And then, daghan na mo mapagan, daghan mag-connect. And then, about sa settlement, depende na po.
Yeah, I think we'll cross the bridge when we get there. We cannot still make sure what would be the reactions or response to these complaints that we're filing.